Good morning, grade 2. Today we will complete solving the science revision sheet for the third quarter. We will start with question number 61. The only planet that has life. Of course, it is our planet, which is Earth. It is the only one that has life. So it is letter B. The next one, 62. The largest planet in the solar system. When we studied the solar system, we said that you have to know the difference between two things. The first one, when you are asked about the largest body in the solar system. The largest body in the solar system is the Sun, which is a star in the center, and all the planets are moving around it. But the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter, which is letter D. Jupiter is the largest planet, but the Sun is the largest body. The next one, 63. The furthest planet from the Sun, the one which is so far, the last one, is Neptune. So it's letter C. 64. The closest planet to the Sun, the first one which is so hot and so close to the Sun, it is Mercury, letter A. The planet that has beautiful rings around it, it is Saturn, which is letter E. Now the next one, question number 66. Here you have to label the parts of the water cycle. You have 4 words: condensation, precipitation, ocean, evaporation, and you need to write each one in its suitable place. Let's remember together what happens in the water cycle. The sun heats all the water surfaces on earth, like oceans, lakes, rivers, even puddles, and then the liquid water here will start to evaporate or change into a gas. This gas will fly up with the air, hitting the cool air up, and then it changes back into tiny drops of water, or it condenses, forming clouds. When these clouds get heavy, the air cannot carry them anymore, so they will start to fall in the shape of rain, snow, sleet, or hail, or we called all of them precipitation. Let's now say what is letter A. As we said, it's a water surface on earth. It is ocean. So letter A, we will write ocean. What about letter B? It represents evaporation process, because the water will change into gas. So letter B is evaporation. The next one, letter C, forming clouds through a process which is called condensation. And the last step will be precipitation, or anything that falls from the sky. It could be rain, snow, sleet, or hail. So the steps of the water cycle again are evaporation, condensation, precipitation. The next page, page number 10. Here you have a question. Says, does the animal hibernate or migrate? Let's remember together what is the difference between hibernate and migrate. Hibernate means that the animal will go into a deep sleep-like state in winter. It cannot live in such cold weather, so it will sleep inside its shelter. During this time, all the activities inside its body will slow down. Breathing, heartbeats, the digestive system, everything inside the animal will slow down. Why? To store its energy. It's not moving, it's still in its shelter. What about migrate? We said that migrate means to travel. Travel from a cold weather to find a warm weather. And when an animal migrates, it will move back to its place, but when the weather turns to be warm. So both of them are ways of adaptation. The animal cannot live in cold weather, so it adapts to be able to live. Let's read number 1. A bat sleeps upside down in its shelter for all winter time. It's sleeping for all winter time. So what does it make like this? It hibernate. So a bat hibernate because it is sleeping in its shelter. The next one, number 2, snow geese travel to a warm place in winter. They cannot live in their original place, so they will leave. They travel to another place, so they migrate. The next one, number 3, gray whales travel to Mexico every winter and back again home in spring. Also, they cannot live in cold weather in their country, so they travel. It's a way of adaptation, so gray whales migrate. Number 4, a ground squirrel stores food in fall to use it later in winter. It collects a lot of food inside its shelter to use them when it's winter time because it doesn't go out of its shelter. So it hibernates. The fifth one, number 5. Monarch butterflies fly to a warm place every year in winter. They leave their place, they fly to another place, so they migrate. The next question, number 68. Here you have a figure for the solar system. You have the sun and the 8 planets that move or turn around it. We need to label the names of these planets in order. As we said, the first planet is called Mercury. What is the next planet? Venus. Then the third planet, our planet, is Earth. Then the red planet, which is Mars. Then the largest planet, which is Jupiter. And the one with beautiful rings, which is Saturn. What's after Saturn? It is Uranus. And the last one, or the furthest one from the sun, is Neptune. Again, this is the solar system, the sun in the center. It's the largest body in the solar system, and around the sun there are 8 planets moving in their orbits around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Thank you, grade 2, and see you next time. Bye.